Once upon a time, there was an application designed by ServiceNow developers to build landing pages, but other page types with more functionality are needed. They started over and built UI Builder on top of a brand new framework. Introducing the Now Experience UI Builder. You can build web-based workspace and portal experiences one page at a time. Creating a new page can be as simple as choosing a page template. You can then change the layout, add components, assign an audience, connect your data, and apply a theme to fully personalize the page. Or, like any web page, you can completely customize it, making it do whatever needs to be done. For example, you can build a page from scratch to help employees plan and request their travel. Then you can build a variant of that page so managers can approve and track their employees' travel. Whichever level of complexity you choose, you can make a page your own. The Now Experience UI Builder is a platform application in the Quebec family release, and even though it has a WYSIWYG functionality, it's meant to be used by developers. They'll have complete control to personalized experiences. If you have any pages created with the old UI Builder, you can recreate those pages in the new UI Builder to get new capabilities. To learn more about how Now Experience UI Builder works, watch the Quick Start video. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.